So I'm representing Shukla at this point. My disclosures, I'm still a capitalist. I now add Shukla to this list as a paid presenter. This is very commercial, but very restricted in what can be shown due to the new HIPAA regulations. I love them so much. I had to sign a contract with my facilities, one facility, HCA in particular, that I would not publicly demonstrate any clinically based image of a patient unless the facility and the patient signed off on it. So there won't be any ortho porn presented at this point. This is me again. Shukla. This is a company that comes out of the aviation industry. Their aviation division is called SS White. They made tools for the space shuttle. They made aviation flexible connectors for the F-18, for the C-130. So to make a medical-based device is a relatively simple undertaking for them. Think of this as really robust tools that can take out anything that you can think of that needs to be removed. So this is pretty simple application for them. Their goals are universal systems that are agnostic. They can be used on anybody's product. They are very durable. Their design is actually pretty reasonably ergonomic. If you tell them that something isn't working, they will come out and look and redo things for you. If you're a revision surgeon, they're very interested in your success. I probably do about 70 revision hips a year. I have a partner who does more than 100 of them a year. It's fun to be in Las Vegas because this is where everybody retires and you get to inherit everybody else's problems. Where was your hip done? Oh, a big name East Coast place. Isn't that awesome? And you're 2 years later and it's dislocating. Nobody in this room though. Nobody in this room. So the goal of the systems, obviously minimal bone loss and reduced need to use bone grafts, etc. The anterior hip system is designed specifically to meet the angle requirements of an anterior hip exposure. I've never done one that wasn't extremely extensile, and by the time you're doing a revision, I don't think there's much difference between any of the exposures to get where you need to go if you're doing osteotomies. I understand some people are very married to the concept of an anterior hip, but once the incision is starting to be measured in feet, I don't think it much matters. It has a very robust hammer, also known as the BFH. It can deal with any size, any shape, any angle. It has retractable jaws. It has a very slick femoral head punch that you can pop the heads off with now. It's a very versatile system. And if you have an idea, they will listen to it and they will change things. Got a little out of sequence, but as I said, the approach doesn't much matter once you're doing a revision, in my opinion. You're frequently taking off the abductors. You're frequently making osteotomies. So the position of the implant is the most important thing when you're finished. This is an example of the neck extraction system. That is a universal clamp. You try to get it below the trunnion. You tighten it down. It's your strength that tightens it down. You attach that C device to it, and then you've got a huge lever at which to use that big hammer against. I have had the misfortune of inadvertently removing the proximal femur with this. It's that powerful. So you've got to loosen it up a bit or understand exactly what you need to do. They do make trephines. They do make osteotomes that are very slick. I have a very high affinity toward the power osteotomes and revisions. More examples of how the system can be flexible, adjusted, universal stem extractor. The femoral head punch. It is designed to fit into any approach. There's a straight one, there's an angled one. It's very nice to use when you're otherwise putting a bone tamp in there and trying to do some weird body angles to get it out. We already kind of covered this, but it is modular. This is one thing that I had them change over the last couple of years so that if parts of it break, you don't have to buy the entire thing. You can buy the parts to replace the dent, the bent, the non-serviceable component. They make a cup extraction system, which is very similar to other manufacturers. It is a curved blade. It's 2 curved blades. It is your hand power that you use to disrupt the cup interface. The osteotomes, they come in multiple shapes. Their sales model on this is that you pay per the osteotome you use. They bring the whole set, and then my particular contract is that as you use them, you get billed, or the facility gets billed. It's also nice to have the broken screw system available. There's lots of these in the market. This one is very robust. I've yet to find a scenario where there's a stripped or broken screw that I couldn't figure out how to remove with this. And there is universal screwdriver set, the max screw. That will match the foreign hardware that comes in that we see from Central America. I see stuff that comes out of Mexico that defies description, like nobody's seen it before. There's some Aesculap products that are only available in Central America that the screw heads are very proprietorial. This set has those instruments in it. Shukla hip, as we mentioned, it comes prepackaged, all the things that you would need for most hip extractions. And then there's a universal modular system. I don't particularly use this one, but it is available as well. Thank you for your time.
Great, thank you. Go ahead and have